Hey everybody, welcome to Mission Control for a quick tips video. This week we're going to talk about a shape generator example. In a short video posted in the Avolites US Facebook group, we showed an interesting looking shape that was found by playing around with some settings. Here we show how we made that look, and hopefully it fuels your brain for an interesting looks in your shows. So here I've got version 17.1 of Titan on the Titan Go virtual interface, and I've got the little show file that I constantly use in trainings loaded up here. So I've got some Roby LED 150 beams along our back wall here. And I was going to locate them so we got some light coming out of them. And we'll go to our beam attribute and zoom and take it to small so it's easy to see the beams. I see I got a couple of positions that work on them. I just can't remember how these positions look, particularly how this one looks. Go ahead and clear it. And then we'll go ahead and reselect it and locate them. Put that zoom back small again. And then we'll go Shapes and Effects, Shape Generator, Create, Pan Tilt, Circle. You got our pictures moving in a circle. We would go to my Fixtures and Groups workspace and then select half these fixtures. And then I'm going to go to Direction versus Selected. And then go to Offset, set it to be 180. Hit Enter. And then do Edit, Restart Shapes. So now if I go back to my Groups and Palettes workspace, see we've got our fixtures doing a symmetrical circle. Reselect all of them, and then go ahead and go to our speed here. We'll take our speed down to 8 from some earlier playing I did earlier. Looks kind of cool like this. I'll take our size to 30. You see we've got a nice little symmetrical circle going here. So since the shape runs on a center point, if I changed where the fixture started it, they're pointing instead of just 50-50 pan and tilt from locate. If I was to change it, say this wall X up, we can see how it changes the shape to look completely different and have an interesting matchup in between it. If I change it back to, say, this position, you can see it goes back to that same symmetrical circle a moment ago. Let's change my spread to, say, 10. I know this from earlier experimenting with this particular shape. I get this, but if I turn on that different position, I end up with this. So remember that playing with the position, the speed, the size, and spread, sometimes you take a shape that looks relatively boring into something that's pretty spectacular. Like here, we can just go back to this. We've changed our spread back to 1. End up back up with this. But if we put that different center point in with the different position, end up with this, that spread back in there, we end up with this. So that has been showing an example of how we can change the way a shape looks just by changing the center point, or in this case, the position of our fixtures, messing with the speed, messing with the size, messing with the spread, and take a relatively mundane looking shape and turn it into something really kind of cool. So I hope you learned something. Join us on Facebook at Avolites US. Join us here next time. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
We'll stop.
Roger, we'll stop Discovery. Welcome back. A great ending to the new beginning.